Right guys, we're back, and we're now on planet Barlow. I can only remember, and the minimap's only showing one platinum bolt here, so it's this way. Basically, I think I remember mentioning it in the Let's Play, but it's been so long now, it's been like... I mean, the Let's Play took 3 months to do, so... You know, if any of you were getting bored of Ratchet 2, then I'm sorry. I didn't anticipate it to be that long. I think it's been college as well, you know, bogging me down with work. So, it's actually quite convenient because it's just up here, I believe. Yeah. Alright, so, you know, continue as normal through here. And then you're going to want to... This is the annoying part, it's really slow, but basically you're going to wall shimmy around here. You're going to have to keep turning the camera otherwise Ratchet stops and doesn't detect anything, which is annoying. Luckily I get to skip the next level because it's a space battle, so no platinum bolts to be had there. I think the planets without them are 2 space battles and... No, there's 3 space battles, sorry. So yeah, there's only 17 planets to grab from in this one. Alright. So... yeah, you're going to get mobbed by tiny, insignificant little creatures. But yeah, okay guys, that is it. That is the only one for this level, so I'll be right back for Planet No-Tac.